Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can lock apps with a custom password on iPhone iOS 18. And it's really easy guys to lock your apps with a custom password on your iPhone iOS 18. So you're going to follow these steps guys. First things first, what you're going to do is you want to enable screen time. Open settings, then tap screen time. And if screen time isn't already on, tap on turn on screen time and just set it up. Okay, you want to set a unique screen time passcode by tapping use screen time passcode. Then what you want to do guys is you want to add an app limit. So in screen time, select app limits and then tap add limit. Choose the app or category you want to lock, then set the time limit to 1 minute and ensure the toggle for block at end of limit is enabled. Okay, then what you want to do guys is you want to lock apps behind the passcode. So after 1 minute of app usage, the app will require your screen time passcode to access it. So this effectively locks the app behind a custom password. Okay, and if you want to hide specific apps entirely, guys, you want to go to content and privacy restrictions under screen time, enable the toggle and adjust settings under allowed apps or app restrictions to further secure your data. And that's it guys, you've successfully locked apps with a custom password using iOS 18. And for more iPhone tips and tricks guys, and if you found this guide of any value to you, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.